Oh, freaky. Hey, freaky.
Here comes the Harley.
Hey, freaky.
What you gonna say to Harley?
Freaky.
What you gonna say to Harley?
Hey, freaky.
What you gonna tell her? What you say to Harley?
Freaky, you better be good boy.
What you say to her? What you say to Harley, freaky?
Freaky?
You tell her, freaky.
You better be good boy.
What you gonna tell her? What you gonna tell that Harley?
Say you better be good boy.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
What?
It like closed it off.
You better rewrite it.
I just put the most amazing thing in there too. I told her she needed to go find the most sturdiest tree that she can if the branch will even hold her fat ass up. And you need to buy a stool and a rope.
Greg, what you gonna say to Harley? Hey, Harley. What you say there? What you tell her, freak?
Freaky, you better be a good boy.
Say, hey, Harley. Oh, freaky. Tell Harley. Breaker. What you gonna tell her?
Freaky, you better be a good boy.
Hey, Harley. Fuck you, Harley. Tell her, break. What you say to Harley? What you say to Harley, freak?
Fuck you. Bad boy.
Say, fuck you, Harley. What'd you say?
Freaky, hey, freaky, you're bad.
What you gonna tell her? She said you bad. What you gonna tell her? That's right. You tell her, freak.
Freaky, you bad boy.
You did it, Shine?
Yeah, I got it.
Put the button down again.